Lesson 39, Equivalent Equations, Addition and Subtraction Rules for Equations. So we have here a few examples of equations. The first one is really easy. It's already telling us what x equals. But in the other ones, we have to find it. Now, if we find the solution of each one of these, x is going to be 5. The solution of each one of these equations is 5. Remember, the solution, what it means is the number that makes the equation true. So, for example, if I change 5 here, 5 minus 12 is negative 7, and that is true. If I change 5 here, 5 plus 3 equals 8. And if I change 5 here, 2 times 5 equals 10. So, all of those have the same solution. And when that happens, they are called equivalent equations because they have the same solution. So let's look at these examples and review how is it that we solve an equation. Remember that an equation is like a balance, and we have to make sure that what we do to one side, we also do to the other one to keep the equality. So in this case, to leave the x by itself, I have to get rid of that negative 5. And that 5 is subtracting, so it needs to go to the other side to add. And so, in this case, we're going to have 20 plus 5. So notice that is the same as if I also add here plus 5 and add here plus 5. So you can think about it either way, but just think about it as passing it to do the opposite operation of what is doing on the left. So in this case, x equals 25. In the next example, 8 is adding, and we want to get rid of it, so we'll subtract 8, and we'll pass it to the other side. So it's 7 minus 8, and is negative 1. And we do the same for fractions. And so in this case, the 1/2 is negative or subtracting, so we have to pass it here to add. Now, when we add, remember we have to do common denominator. And the answer would be a equals 5/4. And that's it. Very simple lesson. See you in the next video.